Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Idal Aili Nur Safaah, NIM 230107039, R1, presentation assessment article titled The Education and Psychological Need for Learning the English Language and Understanding the Different Education. Background to the article: the student focus on the growing importance of the English language today globalized society, as English in universal language. It is interesting, vital for education institution and student to improve their language skill to succeed in the more modern world. Learning English, however, is often challenging due to various personal and psychological factors. On of the clinics identify is for guest language a canty FLA, which significantly hinders student ability to learning and use English effectively, specialist in speaking to context. Psychological factors such as to autonomy, competence, realitance, and novelty are fundamental in supporting language learning, as explained by self-determination theory (SDT). The paper is me to explore how this education and psychological that inclusive English language question the impact of academics on student learning process. By addressing the C needs to study hopes to enhance student arguments and reduce anxiety, thus improving oral language performance. Argument: the article argues that both education and physical need play critical role in learning the English language, with a particular focus on anxiety significant implies on student language articulation. It highlights that for gain language anxiety, FLA is a major barrier to successful language learning, especially in oral communication context. The student appraising the importance of meeting physical needs such as anatomy, competence, relatedness, and novelty, as defined by self-determination theory (SDT) to reduce anxiety and for better language performance. The main goal of the research is to explore how physical factor affect student ability to learning English and how addressing these needs can for outcomes. Methodology. The student employs mixed methodology import combination both quantitative and qualitative data to examine the psychological and education need in English language learning. A total of 70 student enrolled in English language course participant in the study. The participants were closing using random sampling, and data were gathered the rock and structured closed closed ended questionnaire. The questionnaire was diverted to their skills focus on demographics, information, language, anxiety, and psychological atau education needs. Data analysis was conducted using SPSS statistic word software to determine the impact of anxiety on student language performance and to evaluation the education and psychology factor inclusive English language equation. Funding. The funding related and that attention significant affecting student performance and learning English, particularly in speaking tests. Approximately 80% of students reported failing actions then speak English, especially during classroom presentation. 79 further 90% of respondent identifies attention as on the major briefing to their future fluency in the language. Psychological factors such as self-confidence, competence, and anatomy were said down to have are strong, inclusive, and the student ability to perform well in English. The student also found the most students were health motive, motive, motivated to learning English for future career opportunities. 85%, but only 35% felt encouraged to speak English outside of the classroom. This highlights the importance from class environment in stimulation English language practice. The study shows that attention not only hinders oral performance but also negative affect general academic success in language learning. Conclusion. The study conclude that addressing both education and psychological needs in a sentient from improving English language acquisition, particularly in reducing attention psychological needs, when fulfilled, led to greater student engagement, satisfaction, and language performance. Attention remains a major about talent in oral communication with requires focus attention from education to the development strategies for alleviating it. The rarely get that for fostering an enquiring classroom environment that meet class psychological need can significant enhance students' speaking ability and overall learning outcomes. Thus, academic and psychological needs are intertwined and addressing but is currently for successful language learning.